What's the meaning of boy racer? Boy racer. Boy racer.
Boy racer. Boy racer. Boy racer is a term used to describe young drivers who enjoy driving aggressively and showing off by modifying their cars with flashy accessories, loud exhausts and high-performance parts. The phrase originated in the 1990s in the United Kingdom and has since spread to other countries. These drivers often engage in risky behavior, such as speeding and street racing, that can lead to dangerous accidents and legal consequences. In short, boy racers are people who use their cars to seek attention and excitement, but their actions can have serious consequences.